Hello students, in this video we will study English grammar. Next topic, the noun number. Okay, what is number? So, numerical representation of amount or quantity is known as number. Okay, for example, the things which we can count in numbers: book, books, okay, box, boxes, child, children, thief, thieves. So all these things you can count easily. That's why these are numbers. Okay. Numbers are of two types. In noun, two numbers are there: singular number and plural number. So what is singular number? Singular means single, means one. A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in singular number. For example, one boy, one girl. Okay? So no need to say one. If I say boy, means definitely one boy. If I say child, that is one child only. So it is your second is your plural number. What is plural number? Plural means many, more than one. A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in plural number. For examples, yes, two persons, two pen, children. Okay, so children means many children, more than one children. Okay, girls. If I say S, means it is plural. Getting? So, before understanding the concept of number, okay, singular number and plural number in detail, we will study about one more classification of noun, that is countable and uncountable noun. Okay, so what is countable nouns? Countable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. Okay, so can we count countable noun? For example, if I say sugar, okay, so can you count sugar? No, it's not possible. Milk, bread, news, money, cheese, water. Okay, so uncountable nouns means the nouns which cannot be counted, जिन्हें हम count नहीं कर सकते, they are called uncountable nouns. ठीक है? Rice, water, milk, cheese, money. आपको मैंने ये नहीं कहा money means it's only money, है ना? I am not telling 100 rupees or 5 rupees, but if I say rupee और पैसे, then you can definitely count. But if I say money, तो money में तो कोई भी amount हो सकता है, so you can't count money. Getting? So it is your uncountable noun which cannot be counted in numbers, जिनको हम number से represent नहीं कर सकते. Okay? Yes. Next is your countable noun. So what is countable nouns? So opposite of uncountable noun, that is which can be counted. We can count it. Okay? We can count countable nouns. So we can make plurals of. ठीक है, अभी आपको मैंने बताया what is singular number, what is plural number. So plural number means many. So we can only make plurals of your countable noun. हम केवल जो काउंटेबल नाउन जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उन्हीं का प्लूरल बना सकते हैं. जिन्हें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते उनके लिए सिंगल क्या और डबल क्या या प्लूरल क्या. गेटिंग? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ कैट. सो अ कैट इज योर सिंगुलर नंबर. सो 3 cats. इट कैन बी काउंटेड. कैट को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं और इसलिए इसका क्या बन रहा है? प्लूरल. अ ट्री. अ ट्री मीन्स 1 tree. 6 trees मीन्स मोर देन 1 tree. अ सिटी, 2 cities. A kiss, some kisses. A woman, some women. A foot, okay, and plural is 2 feet, है ना? So there are different rules. बहुत सारे rules है to change from singular number to plural number. Getting? So now we will study singular and plural nouns and the rules for changing from singular number to plural number. Okay, so nouns can be singular or plural. when you are talking about one person, animal, place, one person, singular, okay? One person, place or thing, use a singular noun. Getting? For example, a woman, a ship, an owl, a train, a flower. Getting? So all these are your singular number. These are also singular nouns. For example, an aeroplane, a bicycle, a boy, a bus, a comb, a girl, a key, a letter, a map, a photographer, a refrigerator, a slide, a swing, a van. Okay, so I have put an, a. So what is this? है ना? It can be put before your singular nouns only. Okay? Yes. Let's study. Use a or an before singular nouns. A and n. What are a and n? These are your articles. Articles. Okay? A, an, and the or the. So, these three are your articles. These are called articles. आपने पहले ही पढ़ा होगा where to put a and where to put n, कि हमें कहाँ a use करना है and कहाँ n use करना है. So we have to revise it in our singular number. और हम articles को इसमें क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? Because आपका singular number singular noun में ही ये use होते हैं. So it's important to study these articles here. Okay? Use a or n before singular nouns. Use n before words beginning with vowels. So do you know what are vowels? Yes, you all know definitely. Vowels are 5 vowels in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there. For example, say an X. Okay? So, when the word starts with these vowels, for example, A. Here, your word is X and A. The first letter is vowel. First letter is your vowel, that is A. That's why we put N. Okay? जहाँ जहाँ जो words आपके vowel से start होते हैं, उनके पहले हमें क्या use करना होता है? N article. That is A-N-N. Okay? But some words don't follow this rule. Some words don't follow this rule. For example, use A, not N, before these words begin with U. Uniform. A, uniform. Okay? Uniform starts with U and U is a vowel, but still we use A. Then A, university. University, okay? The word university also starts with U, but still we use A, university. Getting, children? So, what is the rule exactly? So, rule is this कि जब आपका pronunciation, okay? आप जब vowel, जब आपका pronunciation हिंदी vowel के according होता है, हिंदी के vowels में आपके अ से आहा तक के आते हैं, ठीक है? तो जब आप अपना pronunciation X means X, getting? तो आप हिंदी के pronunciation में अगर हिंदी के स्वर का यूज कर रहे हैं और आपका फर्स्ट लेटर हिंदी का स्वर है, तब आप क्या यूज करेंगे? N. मीन्स डेफिनेटली आपको किसके अकॉर्डिंग डिसाइड करना है? अगर आपके प्रोनाउंसिएशन में वॉवेल आ रहे हैं, ओके, वॉवेल आ रहे हैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन में, देन ओनली यू हैव टू यूज व्हाट? N, है ना? तब आपको क्या यूज करना है? N. बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने क्या कहा? यूनिफॉर्म. तो यूनिफॉर्म को मैं हिंदी में कैसे लिखूंगी? यूनिफॉर्म. ओके, यूनिफॉर्म. तो यूनिफॉर्म में ये जो य बना है बेटा, ये हिंदी का क्या है? ये आपका कॉन्सोनेंट है, व्यंजन है ये हिंदी का. इट इज योर कॉन्सोनेंट और व्यंजन. तो आपको उसके प्रोनाउंसिएशन के अकॉर्डिंग, कॉन्सोनेंट के पहले क्या आ जाता है? रूल के अकॉर्डिंग ए आना चाहिए. ठीक है? दैट्स वाई आपको यहाँ पर ये यू को ना देख के आपको इसके प्रोनाउंसिएशन को नोटिस करना है कि प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपका वॉवेल है या कॉन्सोनेंट है. इफ यू गेट द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ वॉवेल, है ना, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड, then you have to use article n. Otherwise you have to use article a. Getting? अगर आपका कॉन्सोनेंट है आपके प्रोनाउंसिएशन में तो आपको a यूज करना है, और यदि आपके प्रोनाउंसिएशन में आपका वॉवेल है then you have to use n. So let's pronounce these words. An egg, an egg, an envelope, an ice cream, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella, an uncle, a uniform, a university. Getting? So this is the concept of your article a and n. Use a before words beginning with the other letters of the alphabet called consonants. For example, say, okay, so जो आपके और अल्फाबेट्स के से नहीं, अल्फाबेट के कॉन्सोनेंट्स है, ठीक है. So we have 5 vowels. What are 5 vowels? A, E, I, O and U. Okay, and rest B, C, D. Okay, B, C, D, F, G, H and so on. All these are your consonants. So how many vowels are there? 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Why? Because there are 26 letters in your English alphabet. So 26 letters are there in your English alphabet. That's why 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So no doubt. तो जो भी आपके वर्ड्स जो स्टार्ट होते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट से, कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से, है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बी इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट. सो ए बास्केट, अ कार, अ हिल, अ हाउस, अ जार, अ रेनबो, अ मॉन्स्टर, अ पिल्लो, अ वॉच, अ जू. ओके, बट सम वर्ड्स डोंट फॉलो दिस रूल. For example, use N, not A, before these words that begin with H. So here, the rule is your H is silent. Everywhere your H is silent. How to pronounce? An air. N, H-E-I-R, air. Okay? H is silent here. So जब हम pronounce कर रहे हैं तो H का sound तो ह होता है, but आपको ह तो आ ही नहीं रहा है. आपका साउंड क्या आ रहा है? एन एयर. ठीक है, एन एयर साउंड आ रहा है. तो ए इज योर वोवेल. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई वी पुट एन हियर. और हमें पता है जहां भी आपको वोवेल साउंड आएगा, जिस भी वर्ड के प्रोनाउंसिएशन में जो फर्स्ट लेटर है, अगर वो वोवेल साउंड है, वोवेल प्रोनाउंस कर रहा है, वोवेल साउंड दे रहा है, देन वी हैव टू पुट एन आर्टिकल. एन ऑनर. ओके, हियर your H is silent. So again same, an honor, an hour. Okay, an hour or an hour. Okay, so this is about the article a and n. Okay, so next is our plural nouns. So what are plural nouns? Okay, singular means single, one, and plural means more than one, many. When you are talking about 2 or more people, okay, animals, places or things, use plural nouns. Most nouns are made plural by adding s at the end. Okay, so mostly we put s. Okay, let's see where we have to put s or other. Bat. Okay, look, bat plural is bats. Star, stars. Okay, more than one stars. Here more than one bats. Mug, mugs. Fan, fans. Cap, caps. So all the words mostly that end with s are plurals. Okay, here. Yes. So this is the list of your nouns, singular and plural. So you can do this easily. Let's study fast. Bird, birds. Broom, brooms. camel, camels, desk, desk, doll, dolls, egg, eggs, flower, flowers, fork, forks, game, games, lamp, lamps, nest, nests, pen, pens, photo, photos, shirt, shirts. Okay? Yes. So we have seen the list of nouns, plural number, है ना? That end with S only. But here we will see the second rule. Okay? So what is the second rule? Some plural nouns end in es. Okay? प्लूरल नंबर में लास्ट में अभी तक के एस आ रहा था, अब आपका क्या आएगा? es. तो हमें देखना है कहाँ es आता है. When the last letter of singular nouns are, लास्ट लेटर आपके क्या क्या होना चाहिए सिंगुलर नाउन के? ch, sh होना चाहिए. ओके, सेकेंड s होना चाहिए लास्ट में, सो हियर s, और डबल s होना चाहिए. ओके, s देन डबल s ऑल्सो, और x. तो जहां जहां आपके ये वाले वर्ड्स, ये वाले आएंगे sh, है ना, वर्ड ग्रुप्स, यू यूजुअली एड es. तो हमें लास्ट में क्या पुट करना है प्लूरल बनाने के लिए? es. गेटिंग हाउ? बस, bus, बस. ठीक है, तो लास्ट में आपका s आया तो हमें इसके क्या ऐड करना है? es. बस, बसेस, ब्रश, ब्रशेस, ब्रश, brushes, watch, watches, glass, glasses, fox, foxes. Getting? So this is your second rule to make singular from, okay, to make plural from singular. Okay, and you have to notice कि आपका जो word है वो किससे end हो रहा है? लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है? ch, sh, simple s और double s. Okay, next. So this is the list of same type of words, है ना, which ends with those words. Okay, for example, ch and x, single s, double s, like that. Okay, so beach, beaches, branch, branches, box, boxes, church, churches, dish, dishes, dress, dresses, gas, gases, sandwich, sandwiches, witch, witches. Getting? So this is your rule according to, this is your list according to second rule. Next is some plural nouns end in ies. Okay, so this is your third rule. Okay, third rule is that when the nouns like these are made plural by changing y. Okay, if last में आपका क्या आ रहा है? y. So remove y and put what? ies. हमें y को remove करके क्या पुट करना है? ies. Getting? For example, here butterfly, so y at last, butterflies. Then what? Lilies. Okay, this is one lily flower, lilies. Canary, canaries. Candy, candies. So these are your plural nouns. So same list is there. Baby, babies, cherry, cherries, diary, diaries, dictionary, dictionaries, fairy, fairies, family, families, fly, flies, lady, ladies, library, libraries, puppy, puppies, story, stories, strawberry, strawberries. Getting? Okay. So next is your rule number 4. Okay. So look, it is different. Here also the word ends with y. Last word is again y here. But here before y, what is there? Vowel is there. If there is a vowel before the y के पहले यदि आपका कोई vowel आ गया, ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका AEIOU, इनमें से कुछ भी आ गया आपके लास्ट के y के पहले, तो आपको क्या पुट करना है लास्ट में? ओनली s. गेटिंग? टू मेक इट प्लूरल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉय, इफ आई से बॉय, सो आपको क्या बन जाएगा? बॉयज। इसके लिए आपको ये नहीं करना है कि y को रिमूव करके आप IES लगा दे, इट इज रॉन्ग। ओके, आपको सिंपली क्या ऐड करना है, s। बट वाई, बिकॉज कि लास्ट में तो आपका y है बट बिफोर लास्ट आपका क्या आ गया, वॉवेल। सो दीज आर अदर एग्जाम्पल्स। की, कीज, ट्रे, ट्रेस, turkey, turkeys. Okay, so same list is there. Yes, chimney, chimneys. Then cowboy, cowboys. Okay, day, days. Donkey, donkeys. Jersey, jerseys. Kidney, kidneys. Monkey, monkeys. Toy, toys. Trolley, trolleys. Okay, valley, valleys. Getting? So this is your list. Okay, next is rule number 5. So what is rule number 5? Okay, if a noun ends in f, okay, if a noun ends in f, so you often change f to v and add es, or simply you can say remove f and in place of f you have to put ves. Getting? For example, calf, calf, remove f and put ves, calves. Okay, elf, elves, half, halves, leaf, leaves. Okay, loaf, loaves, shelf, shelves, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves. Some nouns that end in f just need s to form the plural. So exceptions are everywhere. है ना, हमेशा एक्सेप्शंस होते हैं जो रूल को फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लुक हियर. गेटिंग? तो यहाँ पर आपको सिंपली एस पुट करना है और आपको ये रिमेंबर रखनी है लिस्ट. ओके, क्योंकि ऐसे ही जो एक्सेप्शंस होते हैं जो रूल को फॉलो कर नहीं करते हैं और कुछ डिफरेंट होते हैं, so definitely they are asked in the examinations. Chief, sorry, chef, it is CHEF, chef. But if I say CHIEF, so it is your chief and it is your chef. Chef, chefs. Chief, chiefs. Cliff, cliffs. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Roof, roofs. Then sheriff, sheriffs. Getting? So this is your list. Next, for some words that end in f, the plural can be spelled in two different ways. Okay, so here they follow both rules. है ना, या तो आप सिंपली उनमें s भी पुट कर सकते हैं और ves. So no need to explain, the same thing is there. Okay, so here also knife, knives, life, lives, wife, wives. Okay, so here if fe, then the same rule, ves. Remove fe and put ves. और इसके पहले हमने क्या देखा था, remove f and put ves. Getting? But here, okay, here you can use both rules. सिंपली एस भी पुट कर सकते हैं और एफ को रिमूव करके आप वीईएस भी पुट कर सकते हैं. हूफ, हूफ्स, स्कार्फ, स्कार्फ्स और स्कार्फ्स, बोथ आर करेक्ट. गेटिंग? सो you have to remember these things. Yes, one more thing is there, but you only add s to giraffe to form the plural. Okay, here giraffe, GIRAFFE is giraffe. So here no need to remove f or fe, simply you have to put s. Okay, so here GIRAFFE giraffe and the plural will be GIRAFFES giraffe. Simply add s to make plural of giraffe. Getting? Next rule is, okay, if a noun ends in o, you just add s to form the plural. Okay, So here a rhino. So it is ending with O. At last you are getting O. So simply add S. Okay, rhinos. Then kangaroos. So singular is a kangaroo, kangaroos. A hippo, hippos. A video, videos. A zoo, zoos. Okay, so these are the rules. But, okay, same here again. The nouns are ending with O, but you have to add es. ओके, नाउन तो हो रहे आपके ओ से ही एंड, बट हियर आपको क्या यूज करना है, es, एंड हियर यू हैव टू पुट ओनली s. लुक द लिस्ट. ओके, a tomato, tomatoes, a potato, potatoes, a hero, heroes, flamingo, flamingos. Getting? With some nouns that end in o, you can add either s or es to form the plural. Okay, so here you can put both s or es, both are correct to make plural of these nouns. A mango, mangoes, but mostly we use es, है ना? Have you seen? Yes, mango, yes, mangoes. Yes, mosquito, mosquitoes, zero, zeros, buffalo, buffaloes. Okay, I hope it is preferable to put es mostly. Okay, yes. So next is some plural nouns don't follow the s rule, है ना? They don't end in s, es, ies or ves. Instead, the word changes from singular to plural. So here, okay, this is different. Okay, these are called irregular plurals. Okay, ये regular नहीं होते, आपके क्या कहलाते हैं, irregular plurals. Child, children, man, men. So what is the difference here? Singular number man and plural is men. Ox, oxen. Tooth, teeth. Double o change to double e. Woman, women. Okay, woman, women. So here also same man and here men. Now mouse. So plural of mouse is mice. Foot is feet. Then goose, geese. Okay, double o here, double e is plural. Next is the plural of the mouse that you use with your computer is either mice or mouses. Okay, or mouses. Okay, so here two types of mouse are there. Definitely you know. One is your living thing. Okay, so it is your mouse, animal, and here the computer mouse is there, that is your non-living thing. So for computer mouse, mostly we use mouses. Okay, mouses, mouses. And here we use mice for living things. है ना? Actually it is written that both are correct, but the preferable form is your mouses for computer mouse. है ना? The plural for computer mouse is mouses, and the plural for your animal, mouse, animal, living thing is mice, mice. Some plural nouns are the same as the singular noun. So, for some nouns, we use a single word for both. Singular for singular and plural. For example, reindeer, okay? Yes. So, reindeer or deer, or simply you know. What is the plural of deer? Definitely deer. Same. Okay, singular, plural, both are same for deer. Fish, same. Okay, fish, singular and plural, both are same. Have you seen fishes? Somewhere have you seen fishes? This word is also used. So what is the meaning of fishes? Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. But the meaning is different. क्योंकि ये फिश का प्लूरल नहीं है es लगाकर, ये आपका फिश का प्लूरल ना होकर आपको जब वेराइटी ऑफ फिशेस के अलग अलग टाइप की वेराइटी के बारे में, जब उसके हम काइंड्स या स्पीसीज के बारे में बात करते हैं, तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? फिशेस. मीन्स मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ फिशेस आर देयर, लाइक स्टारफिश, ओके, डॉल्फिन, लाइक दैट, है ना. बट अगर मैं बोलूँगी फिश, तो फिश एक सिंगल फिश भी हो सकती है एंड प्लूरल नंबर को भी मैं फिश ही बोलूंगी, बट वो सेम टाइप्स की फिश का प्लूरल फॉर्म होगा. बट मैं फिशेस बोलूंगी मीन्स वेराइटी ऑफ फिशेस. ओके. शीप सेम थिंग इज देयर. ओके, सिंगुलर प्लूरल both are same for sheep. You can use fishes as the plural of fish when you are talking about different kinds of fish, all the fishes of the Pacific Ocean. Okay? जब हम पैसिफिक ओशन, एक ओशन की सारी फिशेस की बात करेंगे, then it is called fishes, क्योंकि वहाँ many kinds of fishes are available there. Okay? So here singular and plural. Okay? Getting? Yes. So here some nouns are always plural. Okay? For example, shoes. है ना? Shoes means definitely they are always available in pairs. Okay? So shoe बोलने से सिंगल शू, बट शूज हम मोस्टली हम कैसे यूज करते हैं? शूज ही बोलते हैं, क्योंकि ऑलवेज हम शूज को कैसे एज्यूम करते हैं? पेयर में. मीन्स हमेशा टू ही रहेगा ना शूज. तो शूज, गॉगल्स, है ना. सो these are the pictures, no need to explain. Goggles, spectacles or glasses. Okay, word file. Okay, pants, then your pajamas, shorts, trousers, okay, sandals, scissors, slippers, then your stockings, then spectacles, a pair of shoes, then here pliers. Okay, pliers, you know, yes, jeans. You can make these plural nouns singular by using a pair of. ठीक है, अगर मुझे बोलना है इन्हें सिंगुलर नाउन के फॉर्म में, ओके, तो मैं कैसे बोलूंगी? अगर इस पूरे पेयर को मैं एक ही काउंट करना चाहती हूँ, 1, क्योंकि अगर मैं शूज बोलती, शूज मीन्स डेफिनेटली इज इक्वल टू 2 शूज, लेकिन मुझे इन्हीं 2 को 1 के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, सिंगुलर नंबर के फॉर्म में, तो मैं कैसे बोलूंगी? अ पेयर ऑफ binoculars. Okay, binoculars, your दूरबीन. A pair of spectacles, a pair of goggles, a pair of jeans, a pair of shorts, a pair of what? Pliers. Getting? So this is your pliers. So that is all about today's class. Hope you enjoyed the class. So learn properly these things. Thank you, dear students. And if you have any doubt, don't forget to message me or ask me.